Let's talk about how to make money with a cargo van or a minivan this year. And it's important to understand that I want to share with you a few hacks, a few tips to actually make solid cash from using your cargo van or even your minivan. So here are the considerations I want you to think about. The big question is it possible to make good money with a cargo van? Of course, of course. A lot of folks believe that with a cargo van you're kind of limited, but you're not. If you really have the right strategy and you have the right mindset, you are able to find opportunities all the time. So into this conversation, I want to really break it down for you in terms of different sectors where you can make money. Okay, I will speak about food delivery. I'll speak about grocery delivery. I'll speak about parcel delivery. I'll speak about handyman jobs, and I'll speak about rentals. So you have a lot of opportunities when it comes to making money with a cargo van or minivan this year. So let's first start with food delivery. With food delivery, you have a lot of opportunities. For instance, you have Uber Eats. I mean, Uber Eats. Can you believe that on average you can earn $22 to $25, and in some cases you can actually earn $30 per hour. That's a lot of cash. I mean, think about it. $30 per hour. That's like 250, 240 bucks per for an 8-hour workday. That's really pretty legit. Okay, so Uber Eats is actually an international food delivery service, primarily based in the States, founded in Toronto in 2015. Okay, and since the cool thing is it has rapidly grown in popularity with food lovers. So that's really fantastic. You have a great avenue for revenue. And the app primarily focuses on restaurant deliveries, making it a very popular option for those wanting to earn some income on the side. And so that's really good. And you also have Grubhub. That's the second opportunity for making good money with a cargo van this year. So Grubhub is actually paying you a little more. Grubhub, you actually can earn up to $32 to $35 per hour. So that's really good. And Grubhub is actually one of the U.S. leading food delivery platforms and part of the Just Eat group. Okay, and that's kind of cool. The third one, you have a Postmates. So Postmates is actually a great way to make money with a cargo van or minivan. And with Postmates, you can earn up to $25 per hour. So that's pretty good. $25 per hour, fantastic. Okay. Postmates is primarily based in the States and can be found in approximately 24 to 30 U.S. cities. Some of this includes LA, you have Miami, you have Orlando, you have New York, and Postmates also offers a growing range of restaurants, groceries, and takeaways. And Postmates, as a matter of fact, allows customers also to order almost anything, including personal items and clothing. So possibilities for those of us who are driving cargo vans or minivans, fantastic. Next, you have Caviar, and Caviar actually is a great app also, and the earning potential here is 25 to 30 bucks per hour. Okay, and Caviar actually regards itself as the premium choice for food delivery service, offering classy food from some of the most popular restaurants. And Caviar sets a higher standard for food delivery services from its staff and in the restaurants it really handpicks. As such, you may need to pass a slightly more rigorous vetting process first before you can begin working for Caviar. Nonetheless, if you can maintain good stats, this can be a brilliant earning opportunity for you. Again, 25 to 30 bucks per hour. Next, you have Seamless. And Seamless actually is a great app and that allows you to earn a lot of cash. You can earn up to 40 bucks per hour, 40 bucks. And so this is Seamless, by the way, is part of the wider Grubhub group. And this is an increasingly popular food delivery platform that actually prides itself on fast services. As such, if you decide to give the app a try this year, make sure that you can get the customer's destination, you can get to the customer destination real fast. And one of the Seamless platform's great feature is highly supportive of small-scale businesses looking to enter the full delivery scene. So as such, there may be a higher proportions of orders from small local restaurants here, and this may increase your chances of actually getting tips also. So that's kind of cool. And so this is really good. You also have a Bite Squad. This is the sixth app I want to share with you. If you are looking for ways to make money with a cargo van or a minivan this year, try Bite Squad. And Bite Squad actually allows you to earn up to 22, 25 bucks per hour. So if you have been looking for an effective restaurant delivery app, Bite Squad can actually be incredibly popular. And so this much loved app is kind of popular for local restaurant food deliveries in around 200 cities. Okay, you heard me right, 200 cities. So it's not really quite as broad as some of the other options, but it's still worth keeping in mind because you want to diversify your sources of revenue, right? You do not want to put all your eggs in the proverbial same basket. So that's how to look at it. So that's for food delivery. Now I want to talk to you quickly about grocery delivery. So there are ways to make money with a cargo van or a minivan this year through grocery delivery, okay? So delivering restaurant meals can be lucrative, but it does come with plenty of stress. Indeed, every restaurant order turns hot and fresh can be kind of stressful, especially when you have to ensure that the delivery is done in a timely manner, right? So if you want a slightly more relaxed courier service earning opportunity, grocery delivery may be worth keeping in mind. So you have Instacart. So Instacart will actually will offer you a salary, an hourly salary of up to 23, and in some cases $30 per hour. Okay, so as one of the biggest names in grocery delivery, Instacart is a U.S.-based retail delivery company that offers customers a grocery collection and delivery service. And one of the platform's unique features is that 1099 workers can actually choose whether they want to complete the entire order to delivery or just the packing. So as such, if you want to get started but you're not comfortable with driving to new places, this option could work for you, okay? And Instacart prides itself also on fast delivery times, often in as little as 2 hours. So while it pays very well, there is no room to actually be lazy, okay? So this is something to think about. And Instacart offers delivery from approximately 500 retailers from across the country. So this is kind of one of the world's largest grocery delivery service. Next, you have Shipt. So Shipt here allows you to earn up to 15 to 20 bucks per hour. This is another popular option for home delivery services. Okay, and this is Shipt is actually a grocery and delivery service owned by Target Corporation. So Shipt allows customers to place orders at their local stores and offers delivery times within 60 minutes. Okay, so you'll need to be on the ball to get offers really. Next, you have GoPuff. So another great app that you want to really think about. GoPuff actually makes you earn up to 13 bucks per hour. GoPuff offers grocery deliveries as well as hot foods, drinks, alcohol, and even meal planning ingredients. However, one interesting feature of GoPuff is that they can actually the deliveries can be completed in a relatively short span of time. So 13 to 15 bucks per hour. That's pretty good. Next, you have Amazon Fresh. Amazon Fresh allows you to earn up to 16 bucks per hour. So Amazon Fresh is part of the Amazon group and actually provides same-day delivery for fresh produce. Okay, and delivery is actually offered within 2-hour windows, making shopping easy and efficient. And Amazon Fresh has actually opened in the last few years, especially during COVID. They have opened several physical stores across the U.S. in order to help make shopping even more seamless with quicker delivery times. You also have a Walmart delivery. So Walmart delivery is paying you somewhere from 19 to 25 bucks per hour. So the thing is, Walmart delivery offers a valuable option for many delivery drivers, and this is kind of cool. So the MyMetrics platform allows Walmart delivery drivers to track their work and ensure they are working to the best of their ability. So that's really fantastic. Next, you have Saucy, and Saucy is actually it's a great platform also, allowing you to earn up to 18 to $25 per hour. So if you have been looking for an effective and versatile delivery app to drive for, Saucy could be worth considering. Now, don't let the name mislead you though. The Saucy app doesn't actually focus on sauces and sides and provides alcohol delivery services. Naturally, you need to be at least 21 years of age to deliver for Saucy. Next, you have delivery.com. This is another wonderful app. So delivery.com actually allows you to earn up to 15 to 20 bucks per hour. And so based in New York City, delivery.com is a somewhat more niche app, but it can provide wonderful opportunities for local drivers. Okay, so if you're listening to me right now and you are in the city, if you live or work in the city, delivery.com could be a great opportunity, could be a great app for you if you want to use your cargo van or minivan to make money. So delivery.com drivers provide local food, alcohol, and grocery delivery services primarily, and this is an important element to think about, primarily actually for families and individuals. Okay. However, it also offers laundry services as well. So in terms of versatility, fantastic. I want to talk about parcel delivery. So if you're thinking about ways to make money with a cargo van or a minivan, parcel delivery could be a great opportunity. Okay, grocery deliveries are less pressure than regular deliveries, but they still come with a need to get food to the intended destination quickly. So if you don't fancy doing the shop for your customers too, parcel delivery could be ideal. So in terms of parcel delivery, you have Amazon Flex, and the earning potential here is like goes from $25 to $30 per hour. This is kind of cool. So as the counterpart to Amazon Fresh, Amazon Flex can be a brilliant place to start. Actually, Flex offers a parcel delivery services for Amazon's many customers across the country, making it very brilliant for those wanting to earn a little extra. So if you try to really make sure that you make some cash on the side, Amazon Flex is a great opportunity. Next, you have Dolly. So Dolly is a great way to make money with a cargo van or a minivan, by the way. And the cool thing about Dolly is that Dolly gives you a lot of flexibility, but also a lot of scalability. In other words, you can work as long as you want. That's the cool thing. And the payment with Dolly is very good, very good. The earning potential goes from $50 to $75 per hour. Can you imagine that? 50 to $75 per hour. So if your vehicle is fully qualified, because you got to have a fully qualified vehicle. That's the thing. You know that Dolly is it's kind of in a niche market. So if your vehicle is fully qualified, you may be able to make big bucks with Dolly's program. The ideal option for you if you're looking to make a little extra money on the side with your cargo van or minivan. Okay, and the cool thing is Dolly offers a simple parcel and furniture delivery services. So you have a lot of flexibility with Dolly. One thing that you're gonna love with Dolly also is that they pay real fast too. I mean, they pay you on time and they pay real fast. You are able to get your cash within 3 days to 1 week. So that's really good in terms of flexibility to actually add an extra layer of revenue scalability to your balance sheet. Fantastic. If you're looking for ways to make money with a cargo van or a minivan, think about Handyman Jobs. Okay, if you have a knack for putting things together, you could always use your van to give a handyman or a handywoman jobs a try. Who knows? And so you can try, for instance, Gig Smart. Gig Smart actually is an app that has an earning potential of 21 to $25 per hour. So if you have a diverse range of skills, Gig Smart could be just the app you need. Okay, and the cool thing about Gig Smart is that with this app, you can find different skill job roles overall, making it an excellent option to consider, especially if you are trying to diversify your revenue base. Okay, and next you also have TaskRabbit, and the earning potential here goes all the way to $50 per hour. So if you have been looking for a versatile option to make use of your van, TaskRabbit could be a great option to consider. This super app allows drivers to complete a wide array of tasks, such as someone's fully cleaned and prepped dry cleaning directly to their door, or collecting and assembling new furniture. So you have a lot of projects, a lot of opportunities too, a lot of opportunities to earn some cash. And there are numerous different options, and no single one is necessarily right for you. But the cool thing is this app really allows you to use your van to its full potential. Okay, so you can really engage in a lot of projects. Next, you have Favor, and Favor is actually is a great app. The earning potential here up to $18 per hour. So Favor is a personal assistant service that actually offers tasks like picking up food for individuals and businesses, picking up also groceries, doing dry cleaning, and more. And the service helps actually aid customers with day-to-day tasks, okay, and offers a flexible hours for staffs. That's kind of cool. And now the thing is, Favor is not in all the states. It's not in all 50 states, but they are actually in critical and not critical in key cities like Austin, Dallas. You have San Antonio. You have New York City, and next you have Handy. On Handy, the earning potential is up to $45 per hour. So if you have a knack for fixing things and assembling, you will naturally need a minivan or a cargo van to carry all your tools around with you. And luckily, the Handy app can actually comes in pretty handy, especially if you want additional income. Next, you have Air Tasker. So Air Tasker allows you to earn up to $25 per hour. So Air Tasker is hugely growing in popularity, and for a good reason. This excellent app offers a simple ways to find new work for gig drivers and those with cargo vans. Better still, it's potentially a marginally more affordable platform, only taking about 20 to 25% commission. So that's really good. If you are looking for ways to make money with a cargo van or minivan this year, I want you to consider rentals. Okay, rentals are really good also in terms of making money on a consistent basis. So basically, you can make good money by actually renting out your van. So you're not driving the minivan or cargo van, but you just rent it out. Okay, you lease it out too. Of course, this is only good if you don't need a vehicle. However, in such scenarios, it's easy to make a source of passive income to actually drive to have passive income all the time. So, and you have two players that can really help you out. You have Get Around and you have Turo. So Get Around is really good. The earning potential is $5 to $7 per hour. That's passive, totally passive. So Get Around is one of the more popular options for online earning opportunities. However, to qualify for renting out your vehicle, it must have an oldest, like a 2010, 2013 number plate and 125,000 miles or less in when it comes to the odometer. So that's the first one. Then you also have Turo. So on Turo, the earning potential is much higher. So you can earn up to $49 per hour and 49 to 55, by the way. So if you have been looking to quickly make a little extra income, Turo might be ideal. Okay, with Turo, the good thing is vehicle owners offer their cars up for rentals to individuals needing a large and spacious van. Then users accept a vehicle and pick up the car. And Turo's marketplace is one of the biggest of its kind, making this a leading destination for car rentals. Okay, so that's kind of cool, especially when it comes to creating a space where you get the revenue on a consistent basis. So bottom line here is what? If you have been looking to make money with your cargo van or minivan, there are a lot of brilliant options, and you have to really see what works for you. You have to see what kind of geography, what kind of option works in your specific geography, because every location is different. Okay, your location might be different from another location, so you have to make sure that your geography actually plays well when it comes to the specific option that you go for. So what's the bottom line here? In today's conversation, I spoke to you about ways to make money with a cargo van or a minivan. I give you the consideration, the different options to make money. So food delivery, grocery delivery, parcel delivery, handyman jobs, and rentals. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.